Hey, what are the numbers?
5, yeah, so.
So it starts over every time.
How are we doing?
I'm gonna crawl like
So, even when you get to that last rung, come on, Alex, you got this. Hold it and wait a little while. You got it, Alex. And turn. Get it. You got it, Alex. Go. Swing over. Grab it. Grab it.
You got it.
There you go.
You wait till the person in front of you is off that trapeze bar.
Oh boy, let's go together.
It'll clean you off if you fall.
Yeah.
Grab it just strong here, down in here. Pittsburgh, it was so freaking close. Trapeze to the bar.
All right, way to go, guys.
Let's go. Keep going. Keep swinging. Use momentum.
You're doing great, guys.
Get a second hand, you can kind of hold yourself, rest a little bit, and then go. And if you get that far, there is a
Swing.
change.
Kick the legs. Kick the legs forward.
Go sideways.
You're doing great. Woo!
There you go.
Wow. All right.
Come on, Cara.
Keep your momentum
Come on,
going.
Dana. I want you to do it.
Use your rock. Go a little side to side. Get a rhythm.
You got to do the grip. Grab it.
There you go. It's not the right grip.
What?
It's not the right grip.
Lots of change.
I should have told you.
Nice work. Keep coming, Bill. Keep coming.
Good work.
What's the right?
Come on, Matt.
This way. You did this.
Oh.
You gotta
Did you
go
guys
over
get all the way
under.
through?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you have to do the over under. You have to go like this. That way you're.